Hi everyone, starting down by the indoor market today. Beautiful place to go shopping if you've never been. Back behind me is Hotel Nearby, part of the Survey Group Hotels. Let me know if you stayed there or what you think. Looks quite a nice hotel. Nice view of the cross as well, just up there. Zoom in a bit. And it's gone blurry as hell. They are Benidorm Cross. Highly recommended walk if, of course, you do like walking. It is quite a hard walk, so wouldn't recommend it if like you have trouble walking or you're on an e-scooter or mobility scooter. No, actually you could probably do it on an e-scooter, couldn't you?
You have to walk some of the way.
Yeah, you'd have to walk some of the way on e-scooter. And just be extra careful, because I mean, not really any railings up there, like stopping you going off the cliff, so quite dangerous. I mean, of course, you can always take the easy way, get a taxi up there.
Walk's the best way.
Yeah, walk's the best way. Me and Mike's done it twice, and it's just a great walk, all in all.
Be about an hour if you're down the sun.
Yeah, about an hour if you're down this end. Just see all the picturesque views. And of course, well worth it when you reach the top. That is the best thing about the whole walk. I mean, you probably want to give up halfway. I know I did, but I mean, as soon as you get to the very top, just like knowing that you've done it, seeing the views out across Benidorm, makes it all worthwhile. Would recommend taking like a picnic cup with you as well. Pack a few drinks, maybe something to eat as well. Me and Mike done that. First time we went up, had like a few sort of pasties, just to sort of eat when we get up there. Give us a bit of energy for a trip back down. 12-man bar just down there. Great bar if you went in to watch football. And of course, my chips restaurant across the road, new in Benidorm. I've got this American diner sort of feeling to it, very nice. If you're looking for a fancy meal up this end, Paradiso is the place to go. Great steak, burgers, anything you want. Brilliant food in there. Anyway, coming up on the Hotel Diplomatic, I believe. No, Hotel Dynastic. Sorry guys, I've been up here for a while. Think you got a spa down there?
Spas down there.
I'm not sure though, because I've took the sign down.
Season.
Yeah, probably not.
Open, yeah.
Out of season. Anyway, Dynastic is there, except scooters. How much were they charging to get in the pool?
15 quid, I think it was.
€15 to use the swimming pool there.
Just some dirty people stopping in there.
I know it's a nice pool, nice hotel, but honestly, charging €15 for gas swimming, bit stupid that really. Over there you do have Benidorm's answer to Greg's, simply delicious. But I think the sausage rolls I done the other day are better than anything you can get from over there. Mike seems to agree as well. Union Jack, yeah, I'm not really too sure what to say on that. Used to be an alright place and it's gone a bit downhill, to be honest.
You see, they've got a few in there, so...
Few in there, so good on them. Also got my player Regente just there. I'd say maybe not one of the best my players here in Benidorm. Mainly due to the pool area, like backing right up onto a busy main road, so yeah, you're gonna have quite a lot of noise. Chinese shop just behind me, absolutely great shop if you are wanting anything electrical goods, toys, cups, souvenirs. I'll go as far as saying they do clothes in there as well, I believe. Wouldn't be surprised. Love them little butter ornaments down there. They are well cool. And you can get like a sun garden.
No, it's not. It's on WhatsApp. You're fine.
Just so you the restaurant over there, Chino also. Great food there, guys. Real great food. Clothes shop there. Jumpers went for 20 to 30. Not bad offer that. Got nice jumpers as well. Anyway, I think I'm going to finish up here by Sun Terrace, Benidorm today. But of course previously used to be the Irish Music Tavern, I believe. Yeah, Irish Music Tavern, and now that's moved down to Finisterre, so sad day, but still good bar has took over its place. Great food, great drinks, great entertainment. Anyway, smash the like, hit subscribe, see you soon.